In this video, I will show you how to create an AI agent using the Google ADK step by step. So let's get started. First of all, what is the ADK? ADK is a flexible, modular, open source framework developed with Google. It is used to develop and deploy the AI agents. Even though it is optimized for the Gemini and Google ecosystem, ADK is model agnostic, deployment agnostic, and it is built for the compatibility with the other framework. That is the okay. And ADK is designed to make the agent development feels like a software development, to make it easy for the developers create, deploy and orchestrate the agentic architecture that range from simple tasks to complete the workflows. Yeah, how to create the agents using the ADK. So to create the agent using the Google ADK, first we need to install it using the command pip install Google ADK, and once it is installed it, you can create the agent using ADK create, then name of the agent, and then once it is created, then you can run the agent using ADK web. This is the web interface mode, and other way is using the ADK. It will run your agent in command line interface mode. Yeah, let's get deep dive into the code. Yeah, so here I'm in my VS Code terminal. So I have already created virtual environment, VENV. I'm in that virtual environment. Let's check if ADK is installed. Pip show google-adk. Yeah, it is already installed it. If it is not installed, you can install it. Pip install google-adk. It will install the Google ADK package. Once it is installed, then you can create an agent using the ADK create, then first agent. It will create your agent. Yeah, it will. It's creating agent. So meanwhile it creates the agent, it also required a API key. So let's create an API. Yeah, it's asking for the model. I will give one, that is I am using Gemini 2.5 Flash LLM. Then I will use Google Vertex, Google AI, not the Vertex AI. So select. So it requires the API key, Google API key. Let's go to this AI Studio and create the API key. So I already have API key created it, so I will use the same one. So if you have not created the Google API key, you can create it from here. Here we have the option called create API key. So if you click on it, so give the any name first, agent API key, agent API API agent API key, then select the project and then select your project and then create key. It will create an API key. I have already created an API key, so I will use the same one. Click enter, then yeah, it created my agent. You can see here my first agent is created. You can see here it is created on first agent. Then under that it created the three files, init.py, environment and then agent. Then environment file contains environment variable which will be used by the agent. Then init.py contains the import for your agent, and then agent.py is contains the actual code for your agent. So there is a variable root underscore agent, so agent will be assigned to that root variable. So here it is the import. We are importing the agent from the Google ADK package, Google ADK agents package. Let's run this agent. Okay, so in this agent, so we have a couple of parameters. One is model, that is Gemini 2.5 Flash model we are using it, that is LLM model. you can change, you can use it any other models like GPT, OpenAI, Cloud A. This is the name of your agent, that is root agent, then description of your agent, a helpful assistant for user questions, then instructions for your agent, answer the user question to the best of your knowledge. So once the agent is created code, then you can run this agent using the command adk web. It will run your agent in web interface mode, so it will provide you an user UI where you can prompt with interact with your agents by giving the prompts. Click on this URL, it will open on web browser. Yeah, this is how the UI looks like for your agent web. So you can say hello. Yeah, it is replied with how can I help you today. Hello, how can I help you today? So here it is the agent. Right now I have only one agent. If there are multiple agents, it will list down all our agents in that main folder. Then here you can see the trace of your prompts, how agent invocations of your agent with LLM, or if there are any tools, it will show here. Then it will show the any events, then states, artifacts, session requests. You can see the details of here. So we will see the details in next video. Yeah, if this video helped you, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.